Good morning. Good morning. Um, I was in Miami for a little bit. Let's see. There you go. There's two fundeds. You know, the crazy thing is we had four fundeds and I didn't change two of them in time, and it kind of fucked me. So, but here's our 15-minute. Now we'll break down to the 5. See what we can get here. Yeah, I really like this right here. If we can break down here, 754, little 50-point move. But we'll see what's going on here. I'm also working on a new indicator. So it's we'll see what's going on with my new indicator. And you know, move the script editor over here. Just messing around with it. So I'll take a look. See how bad it is. There's still a lot of lines. Take this off. We don't need that. So right now we are just waiting for that 5-minute closure. That'd be crazy if it just went up and down and all the way up to come up here. And if it breaks here, what, 940? That's not bad. I did that. Let's see. Let's go to the 60-minute. Because that's the high up here. And really, we can just, if we want, we can just put it right there too. But there's not really anything. Yeah, we can put it there. We really don't need that. I mean, I was just... We'll see. We will see. We will see what's going on. We need to check what's going on with calendar. Do we have anything going on today? Nope, nothing today. Let's do trade of 8. Let's see what's going on with oil. So how big is this? What, 926 to 757? Phew. It's a lot. 180. Looks like oil took a dump. So we should be pushing up higher unless oil comes back. Is it correlated today? I don't know. Let's see. Let's break down to the 5-minute. I mean, we could be getting higher, pushing up to that area. But oil's not really correlated right now. So, you know, something that I don't want to say it is or not. Let's see. Pushing up. We're pushing up for sure on the 1 minute. And the 15-minute really gives us a indicator that it's going up. And, you know, we're above all of these lines right here. You know, is that a trend line right here? I don't know. You know, I really don't know. It's not really a trend line, but... You know, I figured this is more of a trend line here than anything. But for me, I don't think this is a trend line. Let's take it down to the 2-minute. Yeah, to me, that's not even a trend line I'd be messing with. And you see there's a lot of pushing down. We'll see. All right, let's see if we've got this new one. We'll copy that, delete that, do that. Script editor. Combobulate it. Cool. Let's see what kind of stuff it looks. Let's see how it looks now. And that's a lot of shit. Yeah, I gotta work on that today. Just trying to create a nice orb indicator for you guys. And I'll share it so you guys can download it on NinjaTrader. Getting a rejection off the mid. I mean, we could take this. We have 50 and 70. I mean, we could take it right up to, but again, we need to see this breakthrough. But I really want to follow my our rules. So our rules are important. So it needs to cross this. And we'll hit a retracement. So right now it's just a bunch of waiting. 1 minute looks good for definitely to go up in there. You know, hit the 20 more points should be easy in this market. But I wouldn't do anything until we're out of this area right here. That's the area we want to get out of. And it looks like oil is bouncing off this level here. Could see a push back up, which means that would be going back down, but we'll see. And it's pushing up now. We'll just take our time, guys. Take our time. So we created a, on the 2 minute, you know, we created that higher high, higher low. We didn't create the higher high here, but we did create a lower high. So it's gonna be going for that higher high, and then we'll see what about it, what's going on here. So yeah, here we go. We're popping up. Beautiful. We got a minute. So we'll see if it pushes out of that area. And we're going to be targeting these guys right here. You know, 30, 3130, 3160. So let's hope that we can push back and close above that. That's what we want to see. We'll wait for a nice little retracement. And then once it retraces, you know, I could see a retracement. Let's see, let's go to the 2. I could see a retracement down to here. So let's see if we're right. We'll see if it retraces into this area. We'll change it to, I don't know, orange, whatever. So it closed. Awesome. So we'll be patient here. If it goes, it goes. Can't do anything about it. But I'd like to see a retracement down to here, and then it come back up. so far we've got oil is trying to make it's making a lower high right now on the 5 minute. Really having a hard time pushing through, so definitely made a lower high on the 2 minute. So let's wait. Love to see this retracement. Like I said, this retracement right here to 88, and then we can do a stop loss here. I just need some extra confluence. Oil right now is just going sideways, so we'll just wait for that. Right now, 5 minute, definitely up. I just want to wait for a good entry. Can we go enter here? No. Again, like, I want to see oil move to any direction past this right now. Like, it's just going sideways here. I'll show you guys. Oil's just going sideways right now on the 2 minute. So want to see something going up, but I want to see a good retracement back to here in this level, and then coming back out. So oil's pumping right now. We're definitely going to see NQ hopefully taking a dump here. Oil's pumping up right now. There we go. And not really a... Well, there's a little bit of a... We'll see what's going on with here and with here. So we could consider this. Oil starts dumping for me. We could take this. And is that a retracement? Could be. Let's get a nice candle closure first on the way up. Let's see how perfect that line that I drew. Look how perfect it did that. And the reason why I did that is, let's see if I can show you. Nope. Was it 1 hour? Yeah. I did mark it from a level right here, and I hit it just perfect. So we'll see. Let's get this retracement. Exactly what I'm trying to, my idea. Let's see what happens here. It's not allowing it here. But if it hits this and goes through that, like, let's target the middle. Let's target this one right here. Yeah, it's looking good right now for a buy. Again, we're going sideways. All right, here we go. I think I'm gonna buy here, but we'll see. Yellow buy. We'll come all the way down here. I really would like to see oil come down, come down, come down. Not good. Not good for the day. Not good. There we go. Oil's not. I mean, I really need it to pump up here. It's not allowing it to. It's. There you go. Come on. I don't want to blow my accounts first day. Come on. Pump it up. That's what we need to do. Come on. Let's go to this next line up here. And buyers and sellers are really getting pissed off here. So we should be pumping up here now. Come on. There you go. Come on. Push, push, push. It's not wanting to, but we better be pumping up here. Definitely. No. Should be pumping up right up here right now. Come on. Go all the way up. Let's go. It's really fighting it right now. I mean, I really don't like this trade already, but we're in it for the biscuit. Win it for the biscuit. Win it for the biscuit. So I'm going to push this up to here. So we're not. I mean, we could close out with 300 for the day. Come on, man. Push up more. I don't want you to do that shit. Come on. I just don't like that trade. Don't like that trade. All right, we're going in. I'm going to push it down to here. If it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's 20 points. You know, 85, that's 30 points. It's like a 115 RR. I really want to see it. Come on, just keep pushing through that, man. Not really wanting to do anything. Yeah, we're getting 130 bucks, but you know, I really, again, I'm just not. Yeah, I'm not. We'll see what's going on right here. Yeah, see how it took a dump. All right, so let's see what we got on this 2 minute, because I'm gonna take one more trade. It's we've got two bad trades. We're only down 164. We're back into this area, this retracement, and then we'll see. I mean, again, 15 minutes says up, 5 minutes says down, 2 minutes says down. Oil is dumping slowly. So this is a lower high, lower high, if we can get this. So do we just buy here and make it run? Or do we wait? We'll see what it does off this 10 EMA. Because right now, I mean, 15 minutes still says it's going up. 5 minute, not so much. Let's see. Now, if I do take a, you know, I have to be. Oof. All right, so let's see what we got on this, you know. Where's the move? Where is the move? Where is the move? If it does do this reaction and goes back up, oh man, we're in the money big time. Really love it to hit here and then just take that buy. Reacting out the CMA here, you know, getting smaller. Like this one. Now, it did hit it perfectly, so like, am I confluenced up to just say we're going to take it? You know, at this 84 to 50, it's 30 points. Let's see what we got. Still thinking about it's going down, so yeah, if we can close below 73.55 on oil, then that would be fantastic. We can take that buy. Just need to close below 73.55. It's 3 more cents. It's not wanting to do that, so we're still going to go down. Okay, so maybe we'll be taking some shorts. Maybe we'll be taking some shorts. We're only down 164, so it's all right. Just really looking for what the hell is oil going to do? Going up or down, up or down? Right now, 5 and 15 minutes say down. Do we take a trade? Let's see what the retracement says. You know, it did just hit this middle of the orb, so who knows? It could be popping up here now. We'll see what oil's just pumping. So do we take a sell here? But I want oil to create a, you know, we're still inside kind of a range with oil. And we'll see what we got going on. It's outside of kind of like the trend line. There's a trend line that I pushed with oil. We could take, it's 50, that's 30 points on a, I mean, I really want to take this short. Take a quick short. I'm going to take a quick short all the way down. Come on. Come on, go all the way down. $600 for the day. Guys, we don't need any more than that. Like, is it going to go down to my... Of course. But, listen, we're here only to do little by little. So 600 for the day on both accounts. That's good. It's 1,200 bucks total. Like I said, I'm as soon as I'm out of the trade, I could care less what happens with the market. Of course, it's coming right back up, but that's all we care about. We just care about these little wins. That's how we get payouts. So it's let's see here. We've got trade performance. Let's just do that. Yep. And what is it? 615. No, we care less about that. So how many trades did we put? Total trades 6-2. So we did 8 trades. Shorts were 100%. So we did 8 trades, well, 4 total. Long trades, we had 2 winning and 4 losing, and then 2 shorts, which pushed us back into the green. So did all right. As you can see, it you look at the 1 minute, see how it's just pushing right there. I mean, could we go for another short here? Not even going to test it, not even going to test it. Could we come down all the way here? That's where I see it going. But we're up 600. It says 600 for the day. Oil's pumping back up. I mean, can we take this short? I really don't want to lose the 600 that we did for the day. I mean, like, if it's going down, it's going to go down to here. So I'm not even going to worry about that. So I think I'm done for the day, guys. I mean, it's gonna push back down all the way down to here. Yep. Could we have made some good money here? Yeah, we could have made another 1,000 or whatever. Not even gonna risk it. But let's see if it hits. Yep, it's going down. Going down. Hit that. Boom. And then now it's going to pop back up. Not bad. But we're up 600 for the day. Like, I'm not even going to risk it. Looks good. We'll try it again tomorrow. It's Tuesday. Another day, another dollar. You guys have a fantastic day. We did what we needed to do, which was make at least 500. Tomorrow we'll try to make 1,000, but again, I'm just trying to get payouts on these. That's it. Just get payouts. So you guys, happy trading, and we'll see you tomorrow.